Hi, this is Luke A with PCT, and in this video I will show how to use the Single Product RX tool. This tool can be accessed in a few locations within Agcloud. The first and most flexible of which is in the right-click menu in the View tool. This option allows you to select and specify multiple farms and fields to run the prescriptions for. This is the location that will be used as the example in the video. The tool can also be accessed in the RX tool under the Single Product Multi-Field tab. On the left, you can select a single field, farm, or grower, then select Layers at the bottom of the tool. The tool can also be accessed under the Layers tab in the View tool by loading a layer, clicking the Options menu, selecting Run RX on this layer, and Single Product RX. As mentioned, the Single Product RX tool can be utilized for multiple fields at a time to create a single product prescription. At the top of the tool, use the filters to refine the list of layers at the bottom of the tool. Then select the desired layers. There are two options for product selection, Express and Standard. Under the Express option, select the product type, then choose a product from the drop-down, or click the plus button to add in a custom product name. This product type can be specified as a liquid, and units can be selected. When finished, click Add. For liquid products, a carrier can be specified if necessary. If so, the rate of the carrier will be entered separately when the prescription is created. If direct injection will be used for the application of the prescription, the box can be checked and volumes can be entered. Optional product costs can be entered to perform cost analyses on the prescriptions. The unit can be specified, and the planned application date can be set. This is the date that the resulting prescription layers will be saved under. The Standard tab offers a more simplified process for product selection. Select the product type, enter a product name, and select a unit. If farming type layers or strip trial layers are available for the selected fields, a layer for intersection can be selected. This option only functions for a single field at a time. This will include the intersecting layer within the prescription. Specify zoning settings if an unzoned layer has been selected to create the prescription. If pre-zoned layers have been selected, the classify settings can be ignored. After the prescription layers have been created, enter rates for each of the zones. With the Sync All to First box checked, each rate entered on the top layer will be entered on the corresponding zones in the subsequent layers. To turn off this functionality, uncheck the box. With the box selected or unselected, specific zones can be edited. Then specify the export settings. Custom names or templates can be applied to each individual shapefile or the zip file. The Simplify Shapefile box can be checked to reduce the number of points per polygon and the file size. You can also choose to combine all fields into a single shapefile. This option will also combine reports. Select whether or not to download reports, and check the Send Shapefiles to Operations Center box to send the files directly to the Files page in Operations Center, or select a machine from the drop-down to send directly to a machine. When finished, click Run. To edit a prescription created with a manual RX tool, load the layer in the View tool, select the More Options button, run RX on this layer, and Single Product RX. Specify the product, and click Run RX. The classify settings can be ignored. The original rates will appear in the boxes and edits can be made.